During the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, users will receive the following items: Galaxy S24 Ultra smartphone, USB-C cable, SIM ejector tool, documentation booklet. It is worth noting that Samsung has stopped including a charger and headphones in recent models, so these items are not present in the box. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has received generally positive feedback from consumers and experts. Positive aspects include design and build, strong and premium construction with a titanium frame and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Display 6.8-inch flat dynamic AMOLED to X display with up to 2500 nits of brightness and an adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz. Performance: fast performance with Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor, 12GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB or 1TB storage options. Camera setup to 100 megapixel main camera, 50 megapixel 5x optical zoom telephoto lens and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera which deliver high quality images. Battery: 5000 mAh battery with 45 W fast charging. Potential downsides: price. The price may be high for some users. Overall, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is a high-quality smartphone that comes with advanced features and strong performance. Performance and software: chipset Snapdragon 8 Generation 3, which is better for AI and machine learning. One UI 6.1 based on Android 14 with more features and a more user-friendly experience. Gaming capabilities: advanced GPU technology allowing more graphically demanding games to run without lag. Battery and charging. Battery management: Samsung's new power efficiency model, which further extends battery life. Wireless charging 15W and possible to charge other devices via reverse wireless charging. More display details: vision boost to adjust the display in different light conditions. High refresh rate. Game mode: a smoother experience while gaming at 120 Hz. Pen S Pen. New features such as improved pressure sensitivity and off-screen note-taking. Waterproofing: IP68 rating, which means it can be submerged in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. Overall review: this device is being touted for its revolutionary technology, camera features and design. However, if you are concerned about your budget, it is important to plan ahead before purchasing it.